Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for October 6, 2025, Part 1. Today's theme is National Coaches Day. Lucy Tries Hockey, written by Lisa Bowes, illustrated by James Hearn. A great day to skate. The place is the pond. Everyone is here. It's a fun way to bond. Lucy loves this sport. She'll glide and be free. Outside with her friends, the best place to be. Look, they're playing hockey. May I try that too? Of course, say her parents. We support what you do. That night, Lucy preps for the big day ahead. Her gear lies in wait, her helmet bright red. Her dad meets the coach. Her mom signs her in. This is Intro to Hockey, and it's time to begin. Let's skate a few laps. The warm-up is key. Speed up. Hop the lines. Try touching your knees. Time to fall forward. That's right. Be prepared. Heads up. Hands out. No need to be scared. Stick handling is next. Lucy, it's your turn. Go slow. Take your time. That's the best way to learn. Now let's shoot the puck. We do this a lot. Draw back, follow through. It's a forehand wrist shot. Lucy is focused. She tries not to miss. Like with so many sports, you just need practice. Lucy shoots on goal. Will the puck go in? It slides through the crease. I did it, she grins. For our final drill, it's a game you all know, an obstacle race. Get ready, get set, go! Zigzag round the cones, now circle the net. Step over the sticks, put your skills to the test. Tweet! The session is over. Lucy's friends are keen. Let's play every week and form our own team. Hockey's a great game, and you can see why. A winter team sport that's so fun to try. Fast facts. Para ice hockey. In this fully inclusive sport, participants play hockey on sleds, making it possible for individuals with disabilities to play the game. Goalies. At the initiation level, players under the age of 7, goalies aren't used. They are introduced at the novice level, 7 and 8-year-olds. They position themselves in the goal crease, a blue semicircle painted on the ice in front of the net, and all kids get to take turns playing goalie. On-ice officials. In the National Hockey League, NHL, there are 2 referees and 2 linesmen on the ice to uphold the rules. They are nicknamed Zebras because of their black and white striped jerseys. NHL officials have a charity to assist children in need. It's called Zebra Care. Other popular types of hockey: field hockey, roller hockey, and underwater hockey, which uses mini sticks. International Ice Hockey Federation, IIHF, based in Zurich, Switzerland. This is the world's governing body for ice hockey and inline hockey. It was formed in 1908 and manages all international ice hockey tournaments. The end. We're going to make a laced ice skate. What you'll need is your Craft to Go kit, which is the ice skate boot and the ice skate blade. You'll need a glue stick to glue those together, and you'll need some crayons, markers, or coloring pencils if you want to add some color to your skate. Now, the first thing you're going to do is take your skate and lace it. And the way I'm doing it, and you can do it however you want, you might find an easier way to do it. But I'm going to go ahead and lace it from back to front, putting both pieces of ribbon through the holes. And pulling it through. So that's the back. And then it comes up to the front. And this way I can tie it in a knot whenever it gets to the very top. So I'm just going to keep doing that the whole way up. Again, I'm doing back to front. And it might be a little messy, but that's okay. But I'm going to continue doing this until I'm at the top, and then I'll show you when I'm at the top and we'll tie it off. See, it just wraps around. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and turn off the video so that I don't, so you don't have to watch me do the last few holes. And then we'll tie it off together. Right now we're at the top hole, so I'm just going to go ahead and tie it in a bow. Kids might have to have their adults do this for them. There's a little knot. And the bow. And this is actually curling ribbon, so if you wanted to, you could curl the ends if you really chose to do with a pair of scissors. But I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to go ahead, and the next step is to glue on the skater's blade. And this is what makes it go across the ice. And then it's up to you if you want to decorate it with crayons or markers. You can, or coloring pencils or paints or whatever you like. I think I'm just going to give it a few little flowers. One on the toe, one on the heel. I'm going to put one up on the top. It's just something simple and cute for skating. You can do anything else you want. Give it some lines. And that's it. I think that looks cute. That's how I want my skate. You do it however you'd like to do it. You can color the whole thing in. Back a long time ago, they used to just have white and black skates, but now I'm sure they have all different colors and styles. And that's mine. That's all there is to it.